Hi, my name is Maurie Hill. I've worked at AI Squared for 15 years, first as a technical support specialist, and now I assist in product testing and creating content for our blog. I have Stargardt disease, which is a retinal degenerative condition similar to macular degeneration. I have normal peripheral vision, which allows me to have pretty good mobility, but have little or no central vision. I have trouble with color, light sensitivity, and seeing things that are right in front of me. At this point, it makes it very difficult to read any text, even when it is magnified. I was introduced to ZoomText by the Vermont Division of Blind Services 20 years ago while working as a PLC programming technician at a manufacturing plant in northern Vermont. At the time, my central vision was just starting to degenerate rapidly. Using ZoomText at 2x magnification allowed me to continue to thrive and grow at this position. I loved the product so much that I sought a position at AI Squared at the same time that I needed to stop driving. I moved 60 miles south, and now I can walk to work. As the text on the computer screen became more and more faded through my lens, I required more magnification and leaned on the speech features of ZoomText more and more. Our latest product, called ZoomText Fusion, came at a time when I was using magnification even greater than 6x all the time, and that became frustrating and inefficient for me. With ZoomText Fusion, I use the same human-sounding voice, Paul, that I am familiar with, and have customized it so that it tells me only what I want to know on the screen. I have made all the visual enhancements that I'm familiar with bigger and bolder, so that I can still follow along on the screen as it is reading to me at no magnification. That way I can see the complete layout of a document or web page. I have gradually learned more and more Windows shortcut keys and Fusion hotkeys, so there is less need to magnify and search visually to select what I'm looking for on the screen. This has dramatically affected my productivity, efficiency, and attitude. I still increase the magnification when I need to in order to view a picture or to follow along as I am typing an email or a document. On web pages and email, Fusion's browse mode allows for one-letter navigation to quickly browse the page for links, headings, buttons, or any other type of web page element. And they are easy to remember shortcuts: L for links, H for headings, B for buttons, T for tables, and so forth. I am still able to continuously read with the familiar App Reader tool, but it is the combination of App Reader and browse mode that allows me to sit back and listen for that needle in the haystack without needing to lean into the screen to find it visually. The page navigation tool gives me further access by listing all the elements on the current page. With all three flavors of ZoomText, Magnifier, Magnifier Reader, and now Fusion, the software has grown alongside me, allowing me to use a computer to do my job, book travel reservations, do personal banking, and shop and research products and topics. These are all things that are even more critical when other means of access due to vision loss are limited or prohibitive. Thanks to the visionaries and developers at AI Squared for listening to my input, my changing needs, and meeting the challenges of changing vision throughout one's life.